Hello, my name is Amanda Hendricks, and I am the Lead Procurement Account Executive in the Department of General Services Office of State Procurement. I'm going to be walking you through the Email and Marketplace Advantage, known as EMMA, Quick Reference Guide, or QRG, for adding documents to a sourcing project in EMMA. All of the QRGs for the EMMA system can be found at procurement.maryland.gov/EMMA-QRGs. This QRG has been created for procurement officers and buyers who want to add documents to a sourcing project in EMMA. It details how to add a document draft and publish it in the Sourcing Project tabs. You can only add documents to sourcing projects that you are responsible for, and only your sourcing project team members can view them. These are not public documents. Documents stored here can be copied to the solicitation and shared with vendors if desired. Also, an important note is that you cannot edit documents in EMMA, however, you can upload new versions. Please note that this QRG and video assumes that you have completed the steps for creating a sourcing project. If not, see the QRG called Creating a Sourcing Project in EMMA. Step 1 of the QRG on how to add documents to a sourcing project in EMMA instructs you to log into EMMA and type in your username and password. You are more than likely to have single sign-on capabilities in the live EMMA production. However, we are using the training environment for this video, so single sign-on is not an option. Reminder that for best results, you should access EMMA via Google Chrome. For step 2 of the QRG, once you are logged in from the home screen, go to the top of the screen, select Sourcing, and then select Browse Sourcing Projects. The list that appears contains all the sourcing projects where you are the responsible party. Step 3 of the QRG instructs you to use the search fields and filters to find the sourcing project that you are ready to add documents to. You will then select the project you want by clicking on the pencil icon, project ID number, or project title to access your project. For this example, my project is entitled Grooming for Canine Units AH. Step 4 of the QRG navigates you to the Documents tab on the left-hand side panel. Existing documents, if any, display in the Sourcing Project Documents pane. Step 5 tells us to click on the Create Document button under Sourcing Project Documents pane. A pop-up window displays. Step 6 of the QRG provides detailed instructions on what each field means and needs to contain in order to move forward, the asterisk fields and non-asterisk fields. For the purposes of this example, I am only going to enter information into the required red asterisk fields. So for the title of this example document, I'm going to say Grooming Scope of Work. For the version, I'm going to say 1. And for the click or drag to add files, I'm going to drag the Grooming Scope of Work document I had saved from my desktop and drop it directly into the spot that it directs. So I'm going to minimize my screen, grab my scope of work, and drag it over. You will notice that the box highlights in green around the edges when my document is centered over it. You can also click and select a file in your computer to upload if you do not wish to drag and drop. Step 7 of the QRG details out your next step, where you can either save as draft, save and close, publish, or delete. For the purposes of this example, we are going to publish this document so that my project's team members can see it and download it. My team members will have the ability to create a new draft or delete this document, as well as track any new versions that have been uploaded. Step 8 tells us to be sure to click Save and Close at the top of the Sourcing Project Documents window. And Step 9 tells us to click the Save button at the top of the Documents page. Now your document displays on the Documents page along with the current version, who created the document, the creation date, and the date last modified. Remember to always click the Save button after making any changes or updates to your document. You can repeat these steps for as many documents as you'd like to add to this part of the sourcing project. Thank you for watching this video and learning how to add documents to a sourcing project in EMMA. If you run into any problems, you can rewatch this video, read through the QRGs, or reach out to emma.helpdesk@maryland.gov for assistance. Thanks, and have a great day.